right, guys, here we are riding the Bat over here at Kings Island in Ohio. If you guys are not familiar with this is what is considered an aero suspended coaster. The track is above us, the cars dangle below. This ride also has a very unique, interesting history, as it was originally built in another plot of land here, and it was a prototype ride from Aero, and it's one of those few prototype rides that kind of didn't work exactly as intended, and it only lasted here a couple of years, and the ride was then taken down and later completely redesigned, rebuilt in another location. Same kind of idea behind it, swinging coaster with the track above you. It originally opened as Top Gun, themed to the movie of the same name. And then a few years ago, they decided they would pay homage to the original coaster that was built, which was named the Bat. And this is where we are today, on the lift hill of the Bat. The updated, redesigned, newer, swanky, awesome version of the ride. Oh man, here we are at the top of the lift. We are getting ready to fly like a bat. A bat out of heck, because this is a family channel. We wouldn't want to curse or anything like that. Oh crap, here we go. Oh man. Get ready for it. No! Oh! Whee! Oh, we're swinging! Oh, we're swinging more! Whee! Oh man! We are flying like a bat! Woo! Oh man! Oh! Whee! Swinging and swinging more! Oh, that is the Bat here at Kings Island. Awesome ride.